This is a Ram 3500 ProMaster. So today I'm going to take you through some of the features that you can expect out of this lovely little conversion van. As we immediately head inside, we've got bug covers on every major opening, front and back, as well as a privacy drape that comes down behind it, so you can have a total blackout experience while in the vehicle. You've got lots of tables that drop down from multiple places. We'll show you all those as we go through. Convection style stovetop, a sink with a cutting board cover for it, and overhead storage as well. Up here, controls for the retractable awning you'll find on top of the van. There's lighting up above overhead, and this table turns into a love seat. Love seat. This table that was once a love seat now is an additional tabletop surface as well. As I mentioned, there are privacy curtains everywhere, and they slide down nice and easy like that. And you can slide them right back up to turn into screens, so when you open the windows, they're not getting flies inside. Back here, further into the kitchen and hallway, we have a refrigerator and a microwave. If you are coming out of the shower and want a little privacy, we have a clothes hook. You could do a little drape, get changed so you're not cramped while getting dressed. Through here we have the bathroom, which is a toilet shower combination with ventilation. And right back here we have a compact queen memory foam mattress, oversized for your standard van conversion. There's a TV back here as well, and outlets as well as lighting. As we come around the back, let's take a look at some of the convenient storage that this van has to offer as well. As I mentioned out the side, there are bug shields and privacy curtains on the side and rear door. The rear windows have magnetized privacy window guards, and under here we have lighting, access to your electronics, access to your water pump systems, 2 outdoor shower hookups, and a pull-out drawer for additional storage. If you have more technical questions or are interested in learning more about this excellent van life conversion van, contact one of our salespeople here at Park Place Ltd.